name is Kelly, and my presentation is on water purification. What's used in water purification? Well, aluminum sulfate and calcium chloride are used for the purification of water at treatment plants. In our experiment, aluminum sulfate and calcium hydroxide were mixed together, forming a double displacement or metathesis reaction. And over here you can see that it goes from the reservoir to the sludge collector, the sludge goes to landfill, and the water goes to distribution. The double displacement reaction, it's when two ionic solutions are mixed to get a cation and an anion, generating a new ionic compound. And over here you can see A and B are switched to B, CB, and AD instead of AB and CD. And the new compound is soluble, the ions will separate, but if it is insoluble, it will participate with form. Now the equations, Al goes with Cl, and then SO goes with Ca. And Ca and SO make this solid. And here's aluminum sulfate and calcium chloride in their normal forms. How much of each? In the lab experiment, it was to be found how much calcium chloride was to be added to water to make 50 milliliters of a 1 molarity calcium chloride in a volumetric flask. And here's our equation that we use. The milliliters cross out and the moles cross out to get grams, and we get 5.55 grams of calcium chloride. And the 3 milliliters of that was added to the aluminum sulfate solution to get our reaction. In the lab, we had calcium chloride, which was clear and colorless, and aluminum sulfate, which was clear and colorless solution. Calcium chloride was mixed to the aluminum sulfate, and after that, we saw white flakes on the bottom of the flask, but it was still clear and colorless. And as I said, we saw a clear colorless solution with white flakes on the bottom of the test tube. And since this produces a solid, it could clog filtration devices for water purification in the treatment plant.